Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Country people, una welcome to DGM TV, weekly Pidgin English update. I beg, if this one is the first time when it be say you till they see our videos like this, I take God beg you, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DGM TV. Make you come knock your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue to get our ogbonge news for the Pidgin, the entertainment, and even the main news. Me when one nakuna this story again this week, Naim be una country brother Stanley Okocha. Our first story today, they come from Edo State.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Our senator don't talk am for Benin language. The only thing when I go talk, we say, when we they come just now, they tell us say rain fall well. Some say make governor send message come, say the road no go allow us pass. Governor say, if not to trek reach here, he must see here. So, I want to thank the governor. You see, it's not easy to get people like governor. They say, hey, the road no go allow motor pass. He say, he must come. Not be there yet, so. And the thing, all I go take no say, governor like una. Just recently, he just appointed una son as commissioner. So, it is very clear that he has already taken this community, this world, as his own world. So, for here, we no go to waste time. Deputy follow governor come. Rice man, una no rice man? The man has also rice in the throwaway. Now he be that. And we also have with us here our elder statesman, Senator Roland Owe. We got Dr. Oni Edigi. We got SAN Ahimie is here with us. Then we have the political Ewewe. Igareva is with us. So all the leaders, as governor say, if not to trek, he go trek. Every person say, make we enter road. All of them, they're there here. So we are very happy to meet you. May God continue to bless you. On the 19th of this month, all of una, make una no waste time. Make una go vote. Make we re-elect our governor. Ogbane. Thank you, thank you. The deputy, when they support this governor, they here with us. But before deputy go greet una, I go like the senatorial vice chairman, your son, to greet una.
Senuwa ni maana osalopo agi ari afiagbenuwa na wa wa no wa ga wa di ona ogo kao na governor a city governor ga ya fi ogwela ìjọba wa director the governor no be ase Obaseki. My son, their governor is son of Guru, they went Kulu one Takabai, Chama Takabai. Honor we to be a day. Me and me. Anyway, a mirror in Magaya said, where on the 19th September we are going to deliver God will never answer up to 100%. Anywhere you are. The first appointment of Korea Landia on Aria you want. What do you want? What do you want? On the 19th, Adejubo, when I get said, who broke in the man, I broke on, I want to be, I woke up one, October, away, I won't buy me, not loud, why did you go there? Are you born? My vote. My vote PDP. My vote of you one. Of your Basaki. Of Monasiki beer. Anyway, Bayaka. Or Hane. Ekpege. Akuza Monagamo. Ianya. Ianya Pude. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. About talk PDP, 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4, Obaseki, Shaibu, PDP.
My people want to present you a gift, sir. Yes, I see. We have a gift for you. You will put one of Africa. There's also a gift for you, sir. As I see plenty youths here, they are all very happy youths. So I will now introduce the Deputy Governor, who is a bridge between the youths and the elders. The King of Youths, Comrade Honorable Philip Shagun. Thank you. Una see the strength and energy when this deputy get. Now they take support our governor. Together they are moving Edo forward. Forward ever. Forward ever. God bless you. Now the governor will address you and you will see why we have all decided to back him so that he can move Edo forward.
Edo must move forward. Move forward.
Your Excellency, this man dey struggle. He say he wan climb ball. He say he wan declare. He no go live here. He no talk say he dey join PDP because of the good work wey you dey do. He even carry paper to come show you. Thank you.
PDP! Pay and pay! Wadomani wọn ẹ̀ ènìyàn smart osayen dẹ̀ nobody bọ̀ wọn ẹ̀ otu na te vesta we may represent màá dẹ̀ iye bá wọ́ọ̀dì yìí for a very long time APC màá tẹ̀ yé màá wí màá yẹ kí APC yá PDP màá yé náà wúdi wọn ẹ̀dọ́gbọ̀n ìmọ̀ dọ́gbọ̀n nàbà sẹ́kẹ̀ o wàlá wàgìmọ̀ yá tọ́gbọ̀ gbé. Now voting on the 19th of September 2020.
PDP! PDP! Ìyábá wọ̀ọ̀dì máa hàn. PDP! The youth, power to you. Ìyábá word. Wawesi. Well, Chairman, can you believe that we still have a place like this in Edo State, Edo South, where you cannot access because there's no road? I cannot believe it. And I want to thank you for the idea that we should go word to word and campaign. If we did not do that, I will not be here. I will not see this with my eyes. So the only campaign promise I will make here and now, that before the end of this year, I will do this road. PDP! PDP!
Boss.
So màá fi wà pẹ́ ìgbà kí arúgbó bẹ̀ lọ sí wà tọ́ wà pẹ́ ọba àtọ́ pẹ́ èmi ni màá bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọn náà. Ekele wà mí la. Ibu máa rẹ̀ fún kàbọ̀ bu ọ. Àbúkọ̀ kò wọ̀ jẹ̀ni ọ̀yẹ́ ẹni ọ̀yẹ́ ẹ̀ máa nà kí nà. Ibu máa rẹ̀. Bá bẹ̀ kí ló ti sọ wà tó mú ní àgbẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni máa yẹ ìpèsè báyẹ̀ bọ́ọ̀lù ẹ̀ẹ́dì ìgbóni fún wáyé mùdí akọ̀ọ́yè. Èmi dákọ̀ náà fún wáyé pé o. Wáyáwó ẹ̀sẹ̀ èmi ni máa lè bá Olúwa lọ́dọ̀ Ọbaṣẹ́kí ilé gọ́ọ̀nà kẹ́kẹ́ àfọwáyé ilé Ṣuaibu. Ìyá rẹ̀ lòmí wá ló pọ́n wá. Zẹ́mi Yorùbá wá kábẹ̀ mi ní ẹgbẹ́ nínú gbéra. Nígbà mi là ọ́ àzọ́rẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ ìrọ̀ náà. Where Azena yẹn wà wọ́n lè bọ́ yìí yéke. Èmi yà fẹ́ nà yà wá pa pàyọ́tọ̀. Nà yà wá dáwọ̀ ní bẹ́ẹ̀ máa lọ́kẹ̀ yà wẹ̀ kù. Ọ̀ọ́kú wà á dé bà. Ana wí pé nẹ́ni, ana ẹgbẹ́ yẹn náà wẹ̀ bà yìí. 4x4! 4x4!
Bàbá!
Ọkọ̀ wà kú àwọn padà lè hàn. I greet all of you.
Okay.
I say I greet you now. We are indeed very happy to be here today. We bring you a message of peace, a message of continued development for the people of Edo State. We are just coming from the palace of the Oba of Benin, and we have committed ourselves to the maintenance of peace in Edo State. The governor is the chief security officer of this state. He has continued to demonstrate his love for the people of this state. Coming to this world, I cannot but appreciate you for coming out in this large number to welcome the executive governor of Edo State. You supported him during the last governorship election, and your coming here today has shown that you will support him again. From what we've seen in all the places we've visited so far, it is clear that the Edo people, they've made up their mind. As we come here, we will quickly let you know that many people, very many people, are joining us every day, everywhere we go to. We have a former chairman of one of the frontline political parties, Egwatsko. He's here and is ready to formally
declare for PDP and the support for the government.
Wọ́n á declare wẹ́ẹ́ mi rí to PDP.
And one vote.
You know they see her. You don't let it come on the Where the men are they?
Okay. We have the leader of APC while we are waiting for a Guatco. Oh, it's already coming on. More people are rushing up. They want to declare. Your Excellency, here in this particular ward, which is of great interest to all of us, it is, thank you, it is declaration galore. Here we have a former state chairman of a political party, Action Alliance, who is here to declare with all his members.
And gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, you are all welcome to receive me in this Benin. All right. Wabeba oni wa ya pokia. You are the senior the governor today. Nima epoka ka bo vome do deba na ke ni do te ya fe. E no ka bo mo ma hion. Imuna no ba fe ki imuna be otedo. Number one, in the 70s, secretariat, another Maya Dino were a sharp hotel. But Kagadi Garden of Bamdayaka, the governor of the affair, nobody don't divide. But today, one year where about 5 British Novarieke, Governor Obaseki have repaired all. Technical school, Odolani, Abudu, never Jackie, Robert, one of the College of Education. So we are going to sign. If you never can, the governor can give you to it, me and that will move. The Orion, the economy in particular, is backlighting. You ever see my people that I do. The governor are not be married. My vote in the care battle, no law or not to look at the clima. Anyway, forgive us. And then, who put him like a Latin, Mania Tono, Mamma, as you look at the hotel when I have Mamma, I want to tell me, don't know him. I don't know about my dad and I can look at the
All the people.
We have the leader. Thank you. We have your son, Honorable, the leader of APC in this world.
APC.
Is here to formally declare for PDP.
Thank you very much. I'm representing 60% of APC in this congregation because you have delivered. We want you to extend your developmental strides from Oredo to Baza to Oriomo. And the only person that can do that for us is Godwin, Nogay Gafet, or one platform. The only thing the people have told me to tell you, sir, The one that is most happening is education. We need university in Ugu. And so today I am finally, totally, I'm here with 13 ward executive of APC today. Are you there? Are you there? Where you go, we go. Ariana, we are here with the Deputy Governor of Edo State, a very able and capable Deputy Governor. Yes. Senator Rolando Ware will sing a song before we bring the governor to talk to you. PDP, Popo Wabia, Oyo Nakato Atua, Yaya Sango, Yaya Sango, Yaya Sango, Popo Sango, no Papetio, Yaya Sango, Yaya Sango, Popo Sango, no Papetio, The message is clear. Now, I know you all want to see the governor. The governor is the man who is moving Edo State forward. His second coming is to consolidate the gains of his first tenure and to work more for the development and good of Edo people. It is obvious that it's a messenger from God to repair the damage of the past and build a new future for our state. This is one governor who is fully committed to moving Edo forward. Those who want to be sharing government money, he has said no to them. No to those who want to share money. Not be so. You can say Edo not be Lagos. Yes. Now, okay. Now it is my pleasure. It is my pleasure to welcome the executive governor of Edo State, the performing governor, the Dr. governor, the wait and see governor, the man who is coming out of the Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. See. Somebody say Obaseki. PDP. Uboko. PDP. Power to Uboko. Power to the women. Power to the youth. Today, we were with our father, Omonobadebo, who are called by Ogidiga. We promised him that this election will be peaceful. Very, very peaceful. Nobody should make any trouble. Even when they find you trouble, just leave them. When they find you that trouble, make them leave them. Just make sure they put a plenty past them. When they have plenty past them, they're not going to do anything for that police. Because the reason that this election is a very, very important election in not only in Nigeria, in this world. It is very important in this world. This is the first time a governor will go from ward to ward to see for himself. Not the one they say they will come and give you reports in government house. Since yesterday, I have been shocked. It's like since my grandfather died, there has not been any development in Yokorion. For the first time in my life, I see transformer where grass has grown inside the transformer. That will tell you how long ago light came to that community. You see communities, no roads to those communities. To even get to Yokoremo from Benin is a problem. Look at the Benin Abraka road. I said, I must build that road. I must build that road. You know why? Of all the local governments in Edo, Orion has the largest amount of land. So if there's no road to Orion, can you use the land? No. Can you do agriculture? No. Can you do education? No. When somebody is sick here, 18 kilometers to Agbo, 17 kilometers to Abudu, 38 kilometers to Benin. Before the person get there, would they die? So, don't worry. Now you have your own governor. You have your governor. Just let him have another 4 years. Let him have another 4. And you will see what he will do. Because in another 4 years, the Orion will not be the same again. Three years ago, we gave land to Nigerian breweries to come and build a factory near here. You see it. When you are coming here, the fence is one big land. It's for Nigerian breweries. Now, I have talked to them that even if you don't want to do the big factory, come and do small factory here. So that we can get jobs for these young people. By the grace of God, September 19, that day, we will make a decision to move Ugoko forward. To move Odiomo forward. To move Edo forward. PDP!
Sure, pata na the people when they look na so be the do people. I beg you, if this one is the first time when you take a look at our video, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when it be DJM TV. Make you not forget to knock your hand for the notification bell so that anytime when we just knock our tori like this, you go always get them. Whether the Pidgin English version, whether the entertainment version, have been at the main news, you go always get our tori. Now so it reach this week. Una bye bye.
DJM TV. DJM TV.